Welcome, here I've got iPhone 12 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the settings button to open them, and now let's slide down to pick the camera so we can open the advanced camera settings. In the composition category at the first place we have the grid, so by using this button we can easily turn on the grid lines, and by just another tap we can turn it off easily like that. So now let me keep this turned on and let's move to the camera now. So let's tap on the camera button. Here we are in standard photo mode. As you can see, we have these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture. So when I take a photo and when I move here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the settings and use this button to turn them off. So now, as you can see in the camera, they have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.